What's up, everybody? It's your boy Mojo, aka SHOEGR Daddy, and welcome to another brand new episode of SHOEGR Academy. Today, we are tackling these Comet X Monopoly limited drop sneaker.
Would you believe ये वही जूते हैं जिन्हें हमने 2 महीने पहले अनबॉक्स करा था? And this is what happens if you don't clean your shoe. So it's time that we clean this mess up.
We received these beauties in the mid-October. Since then, one of our team member is wearing them every day. No mercy, just straight up getting them dirty. So the uppers are synthetic leather with microfiber underlay, and the sole is made out of EVA and rubber. We will be using our Ultimate Kit, which comes with 3 different brushes, soft, medium and hard. So it's time that we get down to business and get rid of all this mud and dust. I'll be working on the left shoe and will keep the right shoe for reference later. First thing first, we gotta remove the laces. We will be cleaning these laces at the end. Okay, now it's time to use our Shape It so that the shape stays intact. As you can see, now I am able to put as much pressure as I want since we have a nice bed under the front toe. To get the process started, we will first of all use dry brushing. And for that, we will be using our soft bristle brush. So the dry brushing is always necessary so that we get rid of all the loose dirt so that we don't make a muddy soup. Also, just to keep things pretty clean and not to make a lot of mess, I'll be using our sugar mat and our collapsible bowl. Boom. Let's get the solution ready, and we'll be putting only 200 ml of water. And now let's use the sugar clean. Alright, now our solution is ready. Since this is synthetic leather, we will be using our soft bristle brush to get rid of all the dust on the uppers. Now we will just let the solution do its work. Let's not forget the tongue. Now, since our shoe is not very old, the inner lining and the insoles are not that dirty, but we will still clean it. We'll remove the Shape It. Since the inside is all soft and is made out of cloth, that is the reason I'm using a soft brush. Now we'll put the Shape It back inside. The uppers look good. Now it's time to move to the midsoles. The midsoles are nicely done. Now it's time to get down to the outsoles. You can see there is a lot of mess over here as well. So let's use our hard bristle brush. There you go, guys. You can see it's all dust free now. It looks amazing. It feels like we've just time traveled back to October when we bought this. Now, let's not forget about our laces. We kept them aside so that we can work at them at the end. All clean laces for your all clean shoe. It's time that we compare it how the shoe was looking before. Ta-da! Look at this, guys. There you go, guys. You can see the difference. Also, if you're wearing your sneakers regularly, do not wait till they are dead. Clean them every couple of weeks. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, do not forget to love your shoes. Let's go.